Welcome to my channel Granny Stock Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare snake gout recipe, also known as Chachindra. So let's get started. To start with this recipe, let's first prepare masala. For that, take handful amount or equal amount of cinnamon, cumin, black pepper, cloves, cardamom. Grind it together dry in a mixer jar. Here our homemade garam masala is ready. Now let's take half kg prawns and add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Now let's take up kadai, add prawns in kadai and keep it on a medium flame. Let prawns release water, stir it well. As you can see, prawns have released water. Let it dry and after some time we'll add oil. Now it's time to add oil. Let prawns get fried for some time. So now let's add 2 finely chopped onions. Stir it well. Add some oil. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon garlic ginger paste. Stir it well. Now let's add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 1 teaspoon homemade garam masala which we had prepared. Stir it well. Let it get cooked on slow flame for some time. In meanwhile, boil 3 big potatoes, add some salt while boiling. Once cooked, mash and keep ready. Now let's cut snake gout. For that, cut it horizontally in cylindrical shape. Now make half vertically. Now to remove seed you can use knife or spoon. Wash nicely with water and strain it well. Our snake gourd should be dry. Our prawn stuffing is cooked. Now let's fill the prawn stuffing in it and repeat the same procedure. Now let's cover the stuffed prawns with smashed potato. Cover it all sides so that our prawn stuffing doesn't come out. and repeat the same process. Take 2 whisked eggs. Take some rava. Now dip the snake cow stuffing in whisked egg and then coat it with rava all side. Now add some oil in pan. Heat it on medium flame. Now add the stuffed snake cow in pan. Let it get cooked on medium flame for around 10 to 15 minutes, or you can deep fry it. Make sure it get cooked properly, especially the outer cover of the snake cow. Our snake cow stuffing is ready. Let's enjoy. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.